I'm going to break down the deadlift for you that's beginner friendly with a ground up approach, but I'm also going to have some advanced cues for common mistakes that I see in the clinic all the time. First thing we're going to want to do is walk right up to the bar. We want the bar right over the middle of our foot. Thinking of 3 points of contact: big toe, little toe, and the heel, big toe, little toe, and the heel. You want your own center of mass over the middle of your foot and the bar right over top of it, keeping it nice and close to the shins. The biggest mistake with lifting that I found in the literature is how far weight is away from your center of mass. So keeping the bar close to your center of mass or close to your body will prevent the most researched mistake in causing injury. Now that I have the bar right over top the middle of my foot and the center of mass as well, we're going to brace our core to begin the hinge by bringing our rib cage down into our abdomen and taking a breath into our belly. While holding that brace, we're going to stick our butt back and up to get as much hinge as we can before we start to bend our knees to get us towards the bar. The common mistake I see is people start to bend their knees first before they hinge, and they turn this into more of a squat than a deadlift. So once you're in that full hinge, you're going to bend your knees to bring you down to the bar here. You can choose a double overhand, but I like one overhand and one underhand. Before you do anything, you're going to pull the slack out of the bar by squeezing your shoulder blades down and back to engage your lats. Once your lats are engaged, you're going to reverse the process by pushing your knees straight and then driving your hips through. The big mistake that people make is they try to lift up their back too soon before hinging and straightening, which causes the bar to go forward, clear the knees. And as the bar comes forward, as they lift up, that puts the most amount of torque on the body as opposed to keeping it close to the center of mass. So if I'm holding the bar here and I come up too soon, the bar swings forward a little bit, and that's what's going to put torque on your back. Once you push out the knees, the hip drive is just bringing your hips through. You don't need to think about overextending backwards to reef on the bar. You're just thinking hamstrings and glutes are pushing the bar through to stand up tall. Feet are under the middle of the bar, 3 points of contact, bracing. I'm sticking my butt back and up as far as I can, bend my knees to get to the bar, underhand grip, squeeze my lats together by bringing my shoulder blades down and back, push through the floor, hip drive up top. That's the full technique for the deadlift. Totally safe exercise, highly important. Keep the bar close, and this will be one of your strongest lifts.